Namaste student, Kushro Vidya. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in jayoti vidhyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about advertising and sales promotion. In this subject, our topic is positioning strategy. So let's start about positioning strategy. In marketing, a positioning strategy highlights the unique feature that distinguish a brand from its competitors. In we explored the three keys to strategy, positioning, and review 7 positioning strategy. What is positioning strategy? Positioning is marketing. Positioning is a marketing strategy, also referred to as product positioning, which refers to how a brand wants to be perceived in the mind of customers relative to competing brand. The objective of a positioning strategy is to establish a single defining characteristic of a brand in the mind of the consumer. Effective positioning strategy consider the strength and weakness of the organization, the needs of the customer, and the claim of competitors. Product positioning allows a company or brand to illuminate areas where it can eclipse the competition. There are 3 keys for strategic positioning: creating an image and shaping how a brand is viewed by a consumer is a very purposeful and meticulous act. Background research and an understanding of the market are crucial of your brand success. Product positioning being well before the creation of brand identity and is crucial to branding. The 3 keys to strategic positioning are often referred as the 3 C's. First one is customer. Central to positioning is now on your focus via identifying what the buyer wants and needs. Research to see if there is a problem customers need a solution for and what need they might report by survey, interviews and reviews. Listening to buyer needs and placing a high importance on those needs is pivotal in getting customer attention and loyalty. Next one, channel. Your channel or sales team is central to understanding customer needs and is where you will likely find the majority of information for successful positioning. Your channel is direct connection to the customer, and through their experience you can get information such as the customer profile, customer problem, competitive intelligence, and purchase process. With experience in the entire sales cycle, channel will help you identity brand strength to effectively focus your positioning strategy on what you do as well as a brand. Next is competition. A final step in formulating a product position is paying attention to your competition and their position. If yours is unique and easily differentiate from what is on the market, then your position statement, your ascertain of brand uniqueness is effective. There are 7 types of positioning strategy. There are several different routes to take when employing positioning strategy, although there often needs to be a central one. It is effective to use several in unison. This method allows for greater market reach, help to inform your customers through different modes. The 7 basic types of positioning strategy are: first one is product characteristic or consumer benefits. In using this strategy for positioning, the focus is on quality. In address the brand's durability, dependability, or reliability, and style. An example of positioning based on characteristic is when toothpaste company refers to the product as refreshing or cavity fighting. A slogan like stronger than steel communicate strength and reliability in a market where similar products exist but are differentiated through consistency or product characteristics. Next is pricing. The positioning strategy focus on the relationship price and quality and the customer's perception of the value of the product. In a comparing jacket price, a buyer might assume that a jacket higher in price is higher in quality. Conversely, a lower price product will position for affordability. Designer jeans boast quality because of price, while department store jeans are accessible to all. Next is use or applications. When a brand reaches a larger market or change the purpose of the brand or product, positioning being on use is a functioning. For example, a company that advertises its hot tea during cold season, being to advertise an ice person during the summer to alert its brand use to reach a larger market through modify applications. Tap or adhesive often used from home repairs can repositioning the brand for decorative or craft project, widening the reach access a different type of customer. Fourth is product process. This is when a brand is associated with a specific user or class of users. Endorsement by famous personality or product influence are example. The athleticism exhibited by basketball player who wear a specific sneaker brand is expected to associate with the brand in consumers' mind. In purchasing that brand, the expectation is that all who wear it will be as athletic. Another example is shampoo. Once specifically marketed only for babies might change the application to be used by people with sensitive hair or scalp too. Repositioning based on the application will help a brand that is already positioned to expand by sharing the market. Fifth is product class. The concept of positioning two related products in the same product class stimulates resulting in a increased customer value base. By positioning dried milk as with both a breakfast substitute and a protein shake, the appeal is double to two different customer needs. Next is culture symbols. The objective in positioning based on a culture symbol is to identify something like a symbol very meaningful to people that have not been used by competitors and hence it to associate your brand with that symbol. Airlines have done this with culture symbol to associate with royal treatment. 7 is competitors relation to. Using competitors as a frame reference to differentiate a brand is another type of positioning. Positioning your brand against competitors is an obvious challenge on quality and assets that your brand is superior with a competitive edge. For example, one chicken waste fast food restaurant was a bobbing mascot who encouraged customers to eat chicken, being aware that most other fast food chains market beef burger. Positioning in relation to or against competitor inferentially acknowledge similarities but focus on the differences, thus spotlighting your brand over the others. I repeat, what is strategy of positioning? Positioning is a market strategy, also refers to as product positioning, which refers to how a brand wants to be perceived in the mind of customer relative to competing brands. The objective of a positioning strategy is to establish in a single defining characteristic of a brand in the mind of the customer. Effective positioning strategy consider the strength and weakness of the organization, the need of the customer, and the claim of the competitors. Product positioning allow a company or brand to illuminate areas where it can eclipse the competition. There are three keys of strategic positioning: creating an image and shaping how a brand is viewed by consumers is very purposeful and meticulous act. Background research and an understanding of the market are crucial to your brand success. Product positioning begin well before the creation to brand identity, and it is crucial to branding. The three key to strategic positioning are refers to as the 3 C's. First one is customer. Central to positioning is knowing your focus by identifying what the buyer wants and needs. Research to see if there is a problem customer need a solution for and what needs they might report by survey and interview and reviews. Listening to buyers needs and placing a high importance on those needs is pivotal in getting customer attention and loyalty. Second is channel. Your channel or sales team is central to understanding customer needs and is where you will likely find the majority of information for successful positioning. Your channel is a direct connection to the customer, and through their experience you can get information such as the customer profile, customer problems, competitor intelligence, and the purchase process. With experience in the entire sales cycle, channel will help you identify brand strength and to effective focus of your business of your position strategy on what you do as well as a brand. Next is competition. A final step in formulating a product positioning is paying attention to your competition and their position. If yours is unique and easily differentiation from what is on the market, then your position statement, your ascertain of brand uniqueness is effective. In this session, important question asked in the examination: define strategy of positioning in marketing. Thank you. This session is powered by jayoti, Vidhyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this session, you have any questions, any queries, we will discuss in problem solving. Thank you.